Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new in this channel, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a very simple dark spots removal. Okay, this dark spots removal is going to also help you to get rid of scars. Alright, so if you want to know what it comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any personal, curious, or beauty questions you want to ask me, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Follow me on Instagram, and let's dive into this video. So for dark spots remedy, you're going to be needing brown sugar. Okay, brown sugar it contains a smaller granite particles that would help to scrub out the dead skin cells on your skin, therefore removing dark spots, pigmentations, and it will also help in getting rid of large and open pores. Okay, so for this we're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. This is 1 tablespoon. Okay, then you're going to be mixing that with honey, because honey is a natural moisturizer. It goes deep into the pores, remove whiteheads and blackheads, and it therefore leaves your skin glowing, preventing your skin from aging. And then we're going to be needing half tablespoon of organic honey. You can see my honey contains some little particles. That's to show that it's actually organic and it's going to work really fine. And also coconut oil is going to be very necessary for this treatment, because it's going to help in making all of the treatment very effective by removing dark spots and brown spots, and it's also going to remove wrinkles and as well as fine lines, leaving your skin smooth and radiant. Taking in just a little drop of coconut oil, half teaspoon guys, is going to be perfect. That is going to help to get rid of dark spots. Then we're going to be using fresh tomato. Tomato is one ingredient that is great for the skin because it contains an ingredient that helps to leave your skin smooth and glowing. It contains a lightening property also that helps to remove dark spots and scrub out the dead skin cells from the skin. Eating just the juice of this. But to get the juice, I'm gonna be blending it. I'll have to crate it so we can extract the juice. So you can as well blend yours if you don't want to waste time crating. Okay. So I'm gonna be taking 1 tablespoon of that. Okay, so we can just sieve it and get the juice of the tomato, just the juice, because we're not going to be needing any of the particles in this particular treatment. That is done. We're gonna stir, and it's gonna be looking somewhat brownish because of the brown sugar. That is perfect. Okay, so you stir really well, but you don't stir for too long, otherwise it's going to go too liquid, because when the brown sugar dissolves, it's going to make it very liquid. And this is perfect guys, it's actually thick. Okay, alright, so here is the treatment. Okay, and you can store this treatment if you want. You have to store it in an airtight container, and then you put it inside a refrigerator, okay, and it's just gonna stay there. It's gonna be thicker anyways, and then you rub this. It's gonna be, when you actually apply this, just like what I'm doing right now, it's gonna be very transparent. And like, trust me, if you use this treatment for some while, you're gonna be loving your skin, okay? You're going to be loving your skin. So you spread it through generously and evenly, okay, everywhere. You can actually apply it on your lip also if you want. Then you hold it there for like 3 to 5 minutes, okay? It's just going to get into your skin and get rid of all of the dark spots, pimples. This is also going to help to give your skin a younger look, like your skin is going to be looking younger, okay? So after that, then you can wash it off with a normal water. It is actually ideal to wash off treatment with a normal water. Now this is why, so that your skin is just going to be cooling, because the essence of applying all of these things to your skin is just so your skin can, you know, be cool. And then for some treatment, it will increase the circulation of blood on your skin, and then you're not going to be having breakouts, pimples and all of that, okay? So that's it, guys. After that, you then go wash it off, and I'm gonna go wash it. Okay, then you wash this off. Now you have to scrub as you wash, okay, because the sugar is just going to sit on your skin. Now after you've washed this off, you can hold on for like some minutes. Let it stay there. Don't, you notice it's actually still a little bit sweet, okay? Let it stay there before you can use a soap, or you can actually bath or take your bath or whatever. So that way all of the dark spots is gonna go and your skin is gonna be glowing. For this treatment, you can actually use it every day for the space of 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks, your dark spots is gonna be gone, and your skin is gonna be very, very responsive. It's gonna glow, okay? And you have to be consistent, guys. If it's something, if you have to use it twice a day, you must be consistent. If you have to use it once a day, you have to repeat it every day. And trust me, guys, all of your dark spots will be gone. So that's just it. That's a very simple way to remove dark spots, pigmentation and scars, okay? It's actually very simple, and it's going to be very effective. Like, trust me on this, okay? So if you love the video, please don't forget to share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up the video, and also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Do ask me your personal curious or beauty question, okay? Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless. Bye, guys, and